Hello, welcome back to the channel. Quick little snippet. Mike over in Wales, who's a technical guy for this channel, has done a little repair himself. So without further ado, I'll go into Mike. All he's going to do is show you exactly what's going on with his blower fan and show you how to fix it. Stay tuned.
Here's a quick one for you. A noisy blower fan. So no engine on. I got the ignition on at the moment. As you can hear, it sounds like a tractor. So if we put this to internal circulation, so the flap opens, knock the engine off. You'll find in there. Might see if I can get close on the camera. Might see if we can get just there. I'll try and zoom in a bit. Let's zoom in. Just there, you can see a parking ticket in the fan housing. So that's restricting airflow and causing that deep droning noise. So we'll dig that out now. We'll test the fan. I'm going to see if the sound improves and the airflow improves. 2 seconds. Oh. Right. Here we go. You got an old parking ticket there. I was sucked through from somewhere. So let's check the date on it. Let's check the date just for our interest. April 21. Right, okay, so we'll put the fan back on and we'll see how it sounds now. So, don't hear noise anymore. And something as simple as that. Of course, you know,